it's Melissa. I am here with my Aldi Find sneak peek for the week of May 7th through May 13th. There's some really great stuff this week. We got some outdoor living, we've got some really cute Americana, and some more gardening. You're going to be super excited. Wait till you see. That's my grandpuppy making a little bit of clanking in the background. But just ignore. We're all here, including Carmelo. We got some pajamas. Aldi has the best pajamas. 3 different ones to pick from. The 4x6 landscape turf rug. I love when they have that. We've got the 2-pack on the towel sets. Super summer and springy. We've got these accent rugs, so 3 different shapes. There's the 4 different patterns and colors. We have these Americana single wick candles. We've got the premium banner I just love, as well as the bows. Absolutely love those. We have this window fan, the twin window fan. We have some solar path lights. Their solar lights are always good. Everybody loves them. We've got some cleaning brushes, 3 different styles, 3 different colors. We have the drink organizer for the fridge or your pantry, I guess. We've got the graduation napkins and plates. The hydration tracker water bottles. We have the glass bowls, both round and rectangle with the snapping lids. We have this beautiful centerpiece bowl. We've got a whole bunch of storage items. Garlic, the onion one, great stuff. We have the pineapple slicer. Those are awesome. A watermelon slicer. And that other one, was that also watermelon? I think so. We have the glass beverage dispenser with the stand. We've got these cute little drinking jars. We've got some peelers, potatoes, etc., etc. We've got some ice cube trays in all these different shapes and styles. Super cute. We have the large cut fruit bowl and the 2 small cut ones. The mini Awesome Pan. The Awesome Pan is the best. I'm going to actually link my video of the Awesome Pan in the description. It is amazing. We've got some more gadgets and stuff. We have that beautiful serving tray and the storage bowls. I've had those storage bowls before. They are awesome. We've got some vinyl tablecloths, so 3 different sizes and one is round. We've got the 4-pack on the tumblers, the different character ones. We have a garden hose, 3 different colors. We've got some garden tools. They have the best gardening stuff. The plant stand, 2 different styles to pick from. The planters, 20-inch on those. We have all the different cushions. So the long cushion, we've got the seat cushion and a bench cushion even. We have these really pretty decorative planters. The cute wind spinners and the garden figurines, they are adorable. We have these really nice hanging pots and the hanging trowel. I put those type of things over my raised beds. They work awesome. We've got the plant caddies. We have the rattan bench. We got these vegetable towers. That is an awesome price. Those are really good to use. We've got the garden soil. And they're, like I said, just such a good price. We have all the different gardening tools, the shears, the pruners. We have the tomato cages, $2.99 for a tomato cage. That's awesome. We have this 3-piece pizza set. We have all these beautiful hanging baskets. The beautiful orchids. And this calla lily in the can, they're calling it. Beautiful. We have the Mother's Day bouquets. We have these beautiful, I don't know how to pronounce that, but in the mug, how cute, and the hydrangeas. We have the adorable Americana dog toys. We have the beanbag toss game, the rolling cooler. That is awesome. I love the colors too. These Oreo pretzel Oreos, chocolate pretzel Oreos, gotta try those. The Gatorade powder, when my boys were in Little League with 4 boys, this powder was awesome instead of buying it in the bottles. We have the sorbet flights. This Bueno Italian beef, I remember everybody says it is so good, so I wanted to highlight that. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I completely appreciate it. It helps more people see my videos. Have an amazing week. Don't forget, I'll be back Wednesday with the in-store video for all these items. Thanks, everyone.